I've got some shit to say. Hello, you beautiful people. I have so much to say. I don't even know where to start. So this video is basically just about to be a get ready with me while I tell you where the fuck I've been for the last year. I also have some exciting things for the future that I want to talk to you guys about. So yeah, that's pretty much what this video is. So if you want to watch, grab some makeup, grab a snack. I just went to Taco Bell. I'm not sure if I'm regretting that yet. Just grab your makeup and let's do some makeup together and chit chat.
Because I missed you guys.
As usual, I have no idea what we're doing makeup wise today, but we'll just go with the flow and see what happens. Okay, you know what? Let me just get eyebrows out of the way, and then as soon as I come back, then we'll start talking.
Go get your eyebrows done. Go ahead.
Okay, so eyebrows are done. Why am I out of breath? I have no idea what I want to do today as usual, but I think I want to use this. Calvin got me this palette. It's the Morphe 35 XO, and it's...
Are you fucking kidding me?
Okay, well, alright. As I was saying, it's a really cute palette.
This shadow's done for.
I'm bringing out the eye tape today to just make my life a little bit easier. I think what I want to do, I want to go for some kind of like brown smoky situation. So yeah, I haven't posted a video in over a year, and honestly the reason for that is depression.
Why am I so sad?
Amongst other mental illnesses that I possess. It's just been a hard year, and it's been a hard year for everyone. I'm not going to show you guys every little thing I'm doing because it's really like this video for me is more just about catching up with you guys and talking. Yeah, it's been a really rough one. Beyond coronavirus, I think was just a hard year for me with my mental health. Work has been really hard. For those of you that don't know, I'm a social worker. It's not an easy job, especially when emotionally things are already tough. And then I've also had some family things go on too. So all around, it's just, I don't know. I've been beating myself up over the past year because I know I need to be filming and uploading things, and I just wasn't there. So yeah, that's pretty much my reasoning for being gone for a while. And if I'm being completely honest, I've never been fully committed to the YouTube thing. Not because I don't love it, not because I don't want to, but just because, I don't know. Sometimes it feels like it's a waste of time, like nobody cares kind of thing. But I came to the realization that I just don't really care if nobody cares. I love doing this. I love doing makeup. I love filming. I love talking to you guys. I don't know. I just have this like newfound energy and motivation to do what makes me happy in life and not to just settle for what doesn't make me happy. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm sitting here with you guys. I really love like being able to talk to you guys. I hope at some point you guys are gonna like talk back, comment, leave some thoughts below.
Talk to me, okay?
I really want to engage with you guys and see what you guys want to see. I don't know, see what the fuck's going on.
What the fuck is up, Kyle?
I feel like as soon as I peel this tape off, it's just gonna look like shit. So yeah, I just feel like I'm ready to commit to this. I'm ready to make it a full-time thing. I'm going to be uploading weekly videos. I know I have said that 500 fucking times, but I'm serious. I'm gonna be uploading weekly videos. Sometimes if I've got the time, then I'm gonna try to do 2. So anyways, all of that leads me to my next point, which is that I just want to talk to you guys about my plans for the future of this channel and some changes that are coming up that you're gonna see. There's already a couple changes, like I'm sure you guys noticed the intro is different. Let me know if you like it. I feel like it's a lot more me than the last one. What I'd like to do is finish up these eyes as I can talk better when I'm just doing my face.
I feel like I've been doing this for like 3 hours already.
I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch at the same time on tape. Same bag, no phone call. Heard that you fought with killer soul. I was this summer and nobody helped.
Okay, took a quick break, straightened my hair a little bit. About as good as it's gonna get. I need to get my hair done so bad, you guys. Now I feel like I can finally talk to you guys without being super distracted. I have spent the last like month, I guess, just doing a lot of thinking about my channel and what I want it to be, and you know, what level of commitment I can give to it. And if you watch my Instagram stories, then maybe this is a little bit redundant, but if I want it, I'm gonna have to make it happen. I also know that this is something that's a slow build, and it's not something that you see results from immediately, which I think is what has been so difficult for me. I think it's what feeds into the whole, well, nobody cares about what I have to say, nobody cares about me doing my makeup or whatever. At the end of the day, doing what I'm doing right now is when I feel happy, when I feel excited. So I just gotta follow that. The other part of this is that I've been putting a lot of thought into what I want my channel to be, what vibe I want it to be, and what kind of content I want to be producing. And I think I realized that like I don't want to corner myself into just doing makeup. There's a lot more that I'm interested other than that, and I think there's a lot more that I want to share outside of this little beauty room.
Damn, that was like a really good contour. Good job.
So I'm completely open to you guys' thoughts. Obviously, I want to make the kind of content that you guys are wanting to see, but I have had some ideas of kind of the direction I want to go, and I want to know you guys' thoughts on it. Beyond just makeup tutorials and things like that, I also want to do like, you know, I'm still going to be doing makeup stuff. I'm still going to be doing makeup tutorials. I like to do some like Ulta hauls and like maybe like come shop with me kind of thing. I also really love fashion, and I would really love to do some like fashion hauls, you know, just like try on hauls, maybe like thrifting, which kind of leads me to my next idea, which is I really want to start doing vlogs, just like take you guys with me on my day. I'd really like to do like thrifting vlogs, like come to the thrift store with me and come look at all the crazy shit that I find. I just want to branch out. I just want to not box myself into a corner, and I want to do things that make me happy. I know I talked about this a little bit on my Instagram, but I feel like I've stayed away from vlogging for so long because I felt like, I don't know, I have a boring life, so who cares? Like I had said when I was kind of ranting about this on Instagram, I just feel like most of the vlogs I watch are of people who do the same shit that I do every day, which is just like eat in their car. Which I do more of that than I'm willing to fucking admit. I also feel like because I'm always sitting here kind of doing the same thing, I don't ever want my videos to feel boring, and I feel like that could happen really easily if I'm just always sitting here doing the same shit. Not just boring for you, but boring for me too. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. I really want to branch out. I want to do more fashion, clothing videos. I want to do more vlogs. Just get more personal with you guys. I feel like I can only get so personal when I'm doing this. Let me know what you guys think about all of that below. Like, please leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on that. If you do like the ideas, let me know. If you don't, let me know. If you have ideas, please always leave those down in the comments. I'm really, really interested to see what you guys think. I have done a couple of like test run practice vlogs that will probably never make it to the internet, but I had so much fun doing that. It was just a different vibe. I feel, like I said, I feel like I can just get more personal, and I think at the end of the day, that's what I want the most, is to just feel like, you know, feel like we're friends, like we can talk back and forth to each other. And you know, I don't want it to be a one-sided thing where I'm just only filming the kind of content that I want to see. So at some point my camera cut out on me. I have no idea when that happened. I have no idea what you guys heard or saw. I'm pretty sure you guys missed me putting my bronzer and my blush on. Okay, so I'm about to go in with the Ofra highlighter and Star Island. I'm really excited to upload on like a consistent schedule. That way you guys know when to, you know, when to be looking for a video. But yeah, so the plan is to upload every Sunday. You can expect at least one video on Sundays. If there's some weeks where I can throw 2 in there, I absolutely will. You know, it's always going to be a weekend upload more than likely, just because I do have a 9-to-5, which obviously takes precedence because
I need money.
I just put some of that highlight in my inner corner. It just like opened it up so much. It's so pretty. I'm gonna start working on vlogs and stuff. I think that that'll be kind of a slow thing. I'm gonna have to figure out how to vlog in the practice runs that I did. It's not as easy as it seems. It's really not. But either way, I think it's gonna be super duper fun. I'm gonna wear lipstick today. I never do that, but we're doing it today. Okay, I finished up my lips off camera really quick and did a little spritz of my Morphe setting spray. This is our final look. Am I I going anywhere today? Absolutely not. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I am so excited about all of the changes coming to this channel. I hope you guys are too. Please let me know down below what you want to see, what you think, what your thoughts are. So with that being said, you guys, you will be getting another video on Sunday, and hopefully every Sunday after this. I know that I'm not always going to make it happen, but I need you guys to hold me accountable. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, go check out my other social medias, which will be down below and at the end of this video, and there's like a lot of places to find it. I actually just uploaded a video on TikTok with this look, so go check that out. I guess that's it. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Can't wait to see you guys next week, so make sure you look out for that video. I hope you guys have a good day. Oh, that ain't right. Ooh. Ew, I'm pretty sure this shit is expired. What the fuck?